Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making sea crabs. The supplies we need for this craft are a plastic red cup, a black pipe cleaner, scissors, 2 googly eyes, 6 red pipe cleaners, and glue. First we're going to take the rim off the cup, so I already did mine, and then we're going to cut 3 slits on each side for his legs. And then we're going to take the red pipe cleaner and we're going to bend it like this for his feet, and we're going to put it in the slit. You might have to straighten them out a little. The last one. And I'm going to lay him down and put the eyeballs on him. I used the medium-sized eyeballs. And press down so that they stay. And then we're going to take the black pipe cleaner and we're going to cut it in half. And then I just made a bend on the top and then a bend on the bottom. And then we're going to use the little bend and we're going to glue it to his head. I'm going to put extra glue. And we're going to kind of face them out. And press down. And this is our sea crab. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.